Hello team, I hope you are well, fine and good. So welcome to this another video session. So where we will be discussing about Adform JavaScript supply chain. Okay, attack. It's all about July 2026. So we will be discussing about this, and I hope if you are new to this channel, please, I request you to please do a subscription to this channel, like the channel, share the channel as soon as possible for getting the latest update regarding any cybersecurity news. So let us discuss about this Adform JavaScript supply chain attack, what actually it is and how actually it's been working, what is the timeline, and why this is called a supply chain. So we will be discussing each and everything in detail. So please stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Get the latest information regarding this. So here what actually happened, folks, like the attacker actually started modifying a JavaScript. Okay, so JavaScript file served by advertising what, by advertising technology company Adform. Okay, so it is actually started advertising about the technology company which is Adform. Okay, which eventually turning into a browser side tool. Okay, that actually starts rewriting the cryptocurrency wallet address. So that is what about the attacker who actually has modified the eventual JavaScript. Okay, coming to the discussion regarding the timeline of this event or what actually happened. So let us proceed about what actually happened over here. Okay, so here is said JavaScript file. Okay, let us consider it as a trackpoint-async.js. Okay, from what, from Adform. Okay, was compromised. Okay, a said JavaScript file from Adform was eventually been compromised. Okay, so here the malicious code which actually acted as a crypto clipper, crypto clipper, which is actually start replacing the wallet address, okay, with attacker's control address. Okay, attacker's control address, it actually eventually replaced that. Okay, so then our discussion is regarding the timeline of the event. Okay, so when we discuss about the timeline of the event, we need to consider few things, right? So what are the few things? Let us discuss. Okay, so one is before July 27, here the attackers compromise the Adform, okay, JavaScript deployment. Okay, so then in 2026, okay, so the malicious track .NOC was served to the visitor. Eventually Calvin Binot discovered malicious activity. Okay, Mass published capture malicious script. Then the Adform affected the compromised host, and after detection the malicious script removed. The same day the customer was being notified, and the same day authorities informed, and later user advised to clean the browser history. Okay, this is the actual timeline. So then discussing regarding the why this is called a supply chain attack, because the attacker has eventually compromised the Adform session, then which eventually leads to thousands of websites. Okay, so here automatically delivers malicious code, millions of which have been exposed. Okay, so this is the actual reason behind why it is called a supply chain attack. So as I already stated, please do a subscription to the Serververse Explode channel, and we will be getting all the latest threat advisories or threat information and latest information about any cybersecurity news and cybersecurity affairs. So affected files, what are the different affected files? One is file as trackpoint, as advisory, then set from what, s2 adform.net, used for ad tracking, eventually analytics and marketing behavior, user behavior. Even can run on entire site, and it is also a specific page or eventually a site section. So one compromised file eventually affected many website flows. Okay, so this is the affected file which is even affecting the compromised file as well, and many website as well. So coming to the discussion regarding the attack flow. So this is the attack flow. Okay, so here what actually happened, one is the victim opens the website, then the website downloads the trackpoint.json file. Okay, the browser executes the JSON. Okay, browser executes the malicious JS file, then the victim copies the crypto addresses, then the malicious script replaces it, and the victim pastes the address and funds sent to the attacker. So this is the attack flow. So Then coming, let me off the video. Yeah, coming to the discussion, what did the malicious JavaScript do? So here one is payload. Okay, so here what actually happened, the clipboard manipulates the, it actually starts monitor the copy of event and clipboard every 4 seconds. If the clipboard contains crypto address, okay, it replicates the attacker's attacker's wallet, then support wallet bitcoins. Then the payload 2, DOM and input manipulation, the walk through text node and rewrites the value in input Terra area and hooks the value settled on input and Terra area. Then interrupt the copy and copy paste the input events. If the user type address, it rewrites the real time. Okay, restores cursor position of the rewrite. So input, this is the flow of the payload 2. Obfuscation. So here the replacement wallet strings are even hidden using 6-byte XOR key. Okay, XOR key decoded runtime. Then this is the network indicator that is eventually been identified. Purpose, host name, place path, telemetry sent, whether data reaches attack is known or unknown. So then browser event hook, clip, copy, cut, paste, input. Persistence, no persistent malicious behavior stops when the browser tab is been closed. Browser cache issue, even after Adform fixed the script, the old files may remains the browser cache, which eventually need clear browser cache, remediate, or you can say reload the website, verify wallet address in browser transition. Impact, when we discuss about anyone who on July 27 visited a affected website and copied or entered crypto addresses would have been sent fund to attacker wallet. Okay, so this is the MITRE attack technique that is eventually being used. Unknowns, how the attacker access Adform's deployment path, why the attack was dangerous. This is the instant response strategy which we need to follow, and detection opportunity for SOC perspective I have also displayed over here. I will not be taking much of your time. I hope you have enjoyed the session regarding this. So let me end the video here itself for you. So thank you.